Got me, Leroy,
JR,
Rob, Crystal, Mr. Lee,
the man,
Marquita, Ashley. Y'all can't even see him. About to go on this trip again, man. We back. It's been so long since we've been on the trip. How you feel, Marquita?
I feel good. Don't go back.
All right,
like
so
this for saying that, I'm gonna go.
you ain't that short.
where we going, y'all?
Rocky Bottoms. Bottoms up, bitches.
I don't condone all that cussing on this channel, but
That's not right.
I cuss on this channel.
I know. Fraudulent is back in the house. Whoop whoop.
Hey, Prince and China, who's that?
China wrestling, Robert.
Huh?
Wrestling.
Wrestler.
Oh shit, they both died at the same time?
Prince dead. Whoop!
This is Marquita J with Fraudulent TV. Okay. I'm going to let the viewers hear what the Lord gifted me with, okay? I don't share this with a lot, but I'm going to share this with you guys. She be coming round the mountain when she come. She be coming.
No, she wasn't ready.
If y'all ain't know, Dante came back from Dubai. And Abu Dhabi.
Yeah,
Abu
Dhabi. Why did you?
Look who made it in. What's up, dog? Go tell them niggas your hashtag, man.
Let me get that.
So every year, get the same thing. We gotta make sure we get some chips, cups, liquor, some shit paper, juice, cereal, Little Debbie's, coffee, and some batteries for my vibrator. All right, so we got all the stuff we need. Now, I'm about to get something to eat. Nigga hungry. Rob, you hungry? You hungry, dog? Back at Subzone Tradition, Marquita said she getting that 16-inch meat.
I'm getting zones on with roast beef, ham, turkey, salami, bologna, pepperoni, lettuce, tomato, provolone, and
What you getting, mate?
Man, I look like I'm about to get that Louisiana cage.
Where you see that?
Nigga about to get that Philly
what's
cheesesteak.
the Louisiana cage? Oh.
Oh,
Hey, what you getting?
I don't know.
Oh no, I had that blue buffalo there.
In fact, I changed my mind. I'm getting food. All right, so it never fails. Every time it takes like 30. Hey, Crystal. It takes like 30 hours for us to get our food every time. But where we going now? Up to the mountain?
We going to
We going to the mountain. I ain't everybody listening to Marquita.
Night, my 6 on the throne. I'm perusing the phone. She pick up and it's on me. This song is only to paint a poem. The boys that talk but lack G. Back to that man, yeah. Script that I read. Feeding the sweet nothings, a hungry broad to eat. Whether they're playful is not the problem, nah. It's how you say it's for they start scoffing. Yet you offer them nothing. Offer them a conference call with your partners. Got you showing off, but the sky's that barking. Baby, I'm a dog, but the broad never knew it. When it comes to the game, I'm 2 moves sooner. Sooner enough to be an OU student. Oh, you got caught, Joe, you stupid.
We made it. We made it up here. We made it, Ashley.
It's my first time.
My first time too, man. I ain't never been before a day in my life. You gotta roll your eyes, girl. This dude up here think he a photographer.
Don't you break it. I'm going to tell you, if you break it, you buy it.
You breaking your back? Paparazzi?
Paparazzi. I charge for my pictures. Sorry. This is Marquita J with Fraudulent TV.
Marquita can't really do no work, so while she watch us, she gotta sit here.
Like this.
Hey, you can hold it.
That's too much. No, she can't hold it. She can't hold it. That's too much. That's too much.
Too heavy. Too heavy.
So we got everything unpacked. About to walk down to the lake, and I realized I got on sunglasses and there's no sun out here at all. We got Crystal, Ashley. Oh shit. So we were down here probably like maybe 4 minutes. Look at this dude already.
My goodness.
Already. Say what? Nigga better than me.
You gonna throw him back?
I can't even fish. Alright, like so look what Dante caught.
Nah, that ain't
Look, let me see it, dog. Come here.
Come on, Leroy, if he can do it, you
Hold on. Pull your damn.
Oh, here, don't get him.
Look what Leroy caught.
Man, don't be lying, man.
Look at this.
What the fuck you go in?
I think that means it's time to go, man.
That motherfucker big.
What the hell Sandy at?
Bruh.
Look at this.
That's a beautiful sight, guy.
Ain't that's crazy.
That is awesome.
Who would have thought?
That's what you call natural. We talking about them rabbits. It's a bill.
He may be about 6 months to a year old.
Why you suck?
Cause he like, hey, fuck that. Y'all ain't going nowhere yet, is you? Are you? Try to catch me a bass. Fuck that.
You said fuck the bear?
Yeah, y'all watch my back, man.
The thing is now, I'm trying to get Leroy or Robert to go over there and feed the bear. Hey, go feed the bear.
Hell no.
Come on, man. All right, they about to do it, man. They about to do it. Go feed the bear. I got y'all from. I got y'all from right here.
I don't know how to pick it up.
Nigga, you the one that fish.
I ain't never caught no bag.
What's wrong with you, man? Oh shit!
Gotta show Dante I caught one. I know, I would.
He's looking right at us. That's why I'm like scared.
Yeah, he is looking like directly at us. Ain't fucking no bears, man.
Hey, what's up, man? What's up?
That's why we in here.
What, y'all scared? Are we? Let's go play with it.
Yo.
This nigga got me out here. In here, we just see him. All these bears. This nigga got me out here. What are you trying to do anyway?
It's just a bear.
Man, fuck you.
Who's scared of bear?
And whether she would hop out of the woods just
Ran off on the plugs. I have a question. When has it came acceptable to do your supplier wrong? When has that became a supplier? All I hear is jug the plug, ran off on the plug. Like
when it became acceptable to be a junkie.
Like when that
welcome to Moles.
Yeah. I tried.
Hey, my team, man.
My team, man.
One. Okay, majority rule. What's the best way to get back at an abusive man? A, call his mama. B, max out his credit card. And C, slash his tires. D, run.
What? You gotta answer that one.
Yeah.
Wait, what was B again? B, max out his credit card. His credit already bad. Okay, go ahead.
We picked them. Y'all helped them, so we helped y'all. You picked them.
I'm sorry, y'all, but y'all gotta take the shots. Okay. Third round.
Third round? I thought we won.
This is the bonus round.
My God.
Crystal making up shit.
You have to pick one person from your team to come up and answer a question.
Go ahead, Leroy.
No.
And then
You can't put me on the spot.
whoever
I got you.
it right, no, whoever gets it wrong has to take, their team has to take a shot.
I got y'all.
Leroy is our
I'm taking mine now.
My nigga.
He said he's taking his now.
Why you looking like that?
He gonna lose.
Oh.
Okay,
You sure?
which historically sorority was founded first?
Oh, please.
We know the answer now. A, Delta Sigma Theta. B, Zeta Phi Beta.
Leroy.
C,
Hey.
Alpha Kappa Alpha.
Hey, she can't do
Marquita.
that. She yelled. That's a
Sigma
shot.
Gamma Rho.
That's a shot.
Say it again.
That's a
A,
shot.
Delta Sigma Theta. B,
Call his name?
Zeta Phi Beta. C, Alpha
Yes.
Kappa Alpha. D,
I'm answering
Sigma
for my
Gamma
part.
Rho.
You can't answer.
No, Makita, no. Don't say
It's
nothing.
my babies.
Who's your babies?
See?
Thank you. Don't say don't say nothing. He got it.
Roscoe.
You kidding
B,
shit.
Hustleman. 1, 2, 3, go. What you put? You right, Terrell.
That
Hey,
That
who was it? What's B? I'm trying to check.
You wasn't cheating?
No, I was trying to
Cause you
pull out.
was looking over there when you did it.
He already. Anyway,
This what happens when niggas losing
take shots.
and they taking more shots than everybody.
in your lane.
Dante team
You
made
so
no
loser,
shot.
man.
What team got
Why you went up there? Where your shot?
Yeah, you still gonna be taking that shot.
Thank you. Suck that.
Yeah, suck that shot down.
Last time he checked, he was the man on these streets. A, Young Jeezy. B, Jay-Z. C,
If y'all
Lil
niggas wanna fight
Wayne.
me,
D, Drake. 1, 2, 3.
Damn, bro, you can't wait to show your answer.
Okay, let's go.
What black dude gonna get that wrong? Sandy, let me ask you a question. Do you think Rihanna is a bigger star than Beyonce?
Not on the same level.
On the same level.
They're not on the same level.
Okay. I just look at
They're not on the same level.
no, wait, Marquita. Do you think no? Do you think Rihanna is a bigger star than Beyonce?
No, she'll never be.
Say, Dante, do you think Rihanna is a bigger star than Beyonce? Mel, do you think Rihanna? Oh, Mel, do you think?
Honestly
Rihanna just as
I would say they are on the same level.
What did you say that?
They're just as good.
Rihanna came out with. I'm talking about when Beyonce came out with an album.
Does
It's about longevity, dog. And Rihanna
That's what
ain't
I'm looking at. Longevity. Rihanna will not have the type of life shelf life that Beyonce
Get
has.
to the city.
You cannot tell me Rihanna
Get to the
Beyonce.
city. We will go. Man, anti his album.
And nobody knew about it?
No.
So she did like Beyonce?
Yes, because
She did like Beyonce?
Yes, she did.
No. She did like Beyonce.
And then next thing you know, that
So
same
she, no.
night,
Wait, no. So she copied. No, she copied
J.
Beyonce.
Cole did it too.
No, I'm not saying that. So she copied. So she copied Beyonce, right? Steady. What? No, stop. Hey, what talent does Rihanna have over Beyonce? What talent? No, what talent? No. What talent? What talent? What talent does Rihanna have over Beyonce?
Besides shaking her ass.
So her titties and
That's not a talent. That's not a talent. Sex appeal is not a talent.
First off, it's trap life. That she know how to make that money. What you mean?
They trying to argue Rihanna on Beyonce, dog. That is crazy.
And Jay-Z is grooming Rihanna to be the next Beyonce.
Beyonce.
Of her
Beyonce
generation is going to be the next Janet Jackson.
But she will never be the next Beyonce.
Yes, she will.
I
I think she will get to the point where she sell out like Beyonce.
I think that might be true. That's true. Not right now.
But that doesn't even matter right now or later. When it's all said and done, she will never be the next Beyonce.
She's ratchet.
Look at me. Robert, who would your panties go to? Prince or Michael Jackson? Tara, who's your panties go to? Prince or Michael Jackson?
So that's what I'm saying. I'm saying Prince, bro. I'll make panties just so I can get with Prince, bro.
Y'all want to fight?
Yeah, like we can go out here with the bit.
We can go out here with the bands.
Say no.
These light skinned niggas can't hang with us brown skinned people.
He is not light skinned. Don't put him in my crowd.
Shut up, Tara. I'm talking about you. Look, Tara.
You're not light skinned.
Tara.
We talking about.
Yeah, that's what you talking about. Alright, yo, so things get a little heated in there, so I'm gonna have to end it for the day, man. You know, from Rihanna to Beyonce.
Bullshit.
Child support to a whole bunch of other stuff that I probably couldn't even show all y'all. So
stuff I can't relate to.
yeah, so I'm just gonna end it and I'll holler at y'all tomorrow.